here we have a beautiful letter for the positivity for your mama. Every single day she sees this letter, she can easily put her in the kitchen or maybe on the tabletop. Am I clear, children? Are you excited? So let's continue. Have fun.
Mothers are always taken for granted. So this is a very special activity, I feel, where children really think deeply about their mother and what all their mother does for them.
Dear Supermom, thank you for teaching me how to cook. On Mother's Day, I will make you the best chocolate strawberry cake ever. Do you know, my mother is a real superwoman. She is strong, brave and intelligent.
We often say, and I talk to my children and I often tell them, what does your mother do? And the answer that I would get is that she's a homemaker. I said, she's a professional. Because running a home, running lives, managing emotions, managing relationships is such a big responsibility. And the mothers do it with such panache and such aplomb that we must congratulate and salute the mothers.
Mother is the first teacher of every child. हम जो भी सीख कर आते हैं अपनी मदर से ही सीख कर आते हैं सबसे पहले. Like in pre-primary, we are also mothers of so many children, the children, those who are in my class.
I loved my mother a lot and she always taught me to be happy. And the same thing I would like to pass it on to my students, that in life there are a lot of difficulties, but always try to keep yourself happy.
Life doesn't come with a manual, it comes with a mother. And mother is an unending song in our heart with happiness, being and comfort. We may sometimes forget the words, but we always remember the tune. Mother is an epitome of child and no one can take her place.
When my mother will receive this letter, my mom will react so happy. She will be very proud of me.
The best thing to ever happen to a woman is motherhood. Though your children will keep you on toes all the time, but then when you get these things in return, look at the lovely picture that she's made. You just can't think of anything but love. Thank you so much. I love you.
The moment he gets up, regularly the first word that he shouts, yells, announces, speaks is my name.
Thank you so much, darling. Love you. Oh, you made my day, dear. I'm really blessed to, receive this and really excited as tomorrow is my birthday also. So it's much more, I think, special for me.
You can easily see tears in my eyes because this is an emotional part. She is giving this letter to me and expressing herself through this piece of paper. I am highly obliged.
Thank you. I love you so much. Nowadays, we've forgotten the way of expressing each other in words. We just say it, but I don't know how much we feel it. So if we bring back this art, it will really help us express.
हमारा बच्चा ये फील कर रहा है कि हम अपने बच्चे के लिए क्या क्या करते हैं, उन चीज़ों को महसूस कर रहा है और उनको इतने प्यारे शब्दों में बयां कर रहा है मेरे से. इससे प्यारी चीज़, इससे अच्छा गिफ्ट मदर्स डे के लिए कुछ नहीं हो सकता.